Hello once again, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back for more of the 2001 Fermat paper. We're on question number 17. Question 17 reads as follows. 3 different numbers are chosen such that when each of the numbers is added to the average of the remaining 2, the numbers 65, 69, and 76 result. Okay. The average of the 3 original numbers is... Alright. So I don't know what these 3 numbers are. Likely I'm not going to have enough information to work them out. Maybe I probably could. But there's likely going to be a way to solve this without working out what the actual numbers are. So it could be something as simple as adding these numbers up and dividing by 3 or something like that. But we need to try and figure out what that might be. So let's give the different numbers names so that we can actually work with them. And we are told what exactly. Each number is added to the average of the remaining 2. Okay. So A plus the average of B and C is 65. B plus the average of A and C is 69, and the other one was 76. C plus the average of A and B is 76. Okay. And I want, what was it, the average of the numbers? The average of the original 3 numbers. So what I want is A plus B plus C over 3. Well, here's an A, here's a B, and here's a C. So if I added these up and divided by 3, I'd probably get what I want. Problem is I can't easily just add A, B, and C. I'd have to add everything together. So here I get my A, B, C. This is usually how you do one of these questions. You'll end up adding up all the information or, adding them up in pairs or something like that. And then we're left with A plus B over 2 plus B plus C over 2 plus A plus C over 2. And that is equal to the sum of these 3 numbers, 65, 69, and 76. So that's 210. Okay, so let's clean this up a little bit. Nothing we can do about A plus B plus C, but here we have 2 A's, 2 B's, and 2 C's. All over 2 is equal to 210. Well, now this 2 and each of the 2's up above can cancel out. And we're left with A plus B plus C plus A plus B plus C is equal to 210. So this is 2 copies of A plus B plus C. So if I just want A plus B plus C by themselves, I will need to divide both sides by 2, and that will give me 105. And now I wanted A plus B plus C over 3. So that's going to be 105 over 3. And that should be 35 if I remember correctly. Yeah, 35. 105 is one of those numbers that if you do enough math will stick out in your head because it's 3 times 5 times 7. It's a pretty cool number. So that's exactly what I wanted, was 35. And let's see if that's one of the answers. There it is B. Alright, so out of curiosity, can I figure out, if I wanted to, could I figure out what B, C, and A are? I have 3 equations and 3 unknowns. By the way, this isn't part of the question, this is just me pondering aloud. So I have A plus B plus C is 105. Then I have A plus B plus C over 2 is 65. So that tells me B plus C over 2 is going to be the difference, which is 40. So B plus C is 80. And so if we have A plus B plus C equals 105 one more time, then I can subtract and get that A is equal to 25. And in a similar way, I can work out all the other numbers. So can I mentally do that? 105 minus 69. We'll have to multiply that by 2. And then 105 minus that, 72. So B should be 33. And what should C be? 105 minus 76. Multiply by 2. And do 105, subtract that. We should get C is 47. And now let's just do a little check, because it's always nice if we can to check our answers. So now we worked out A, B, and C. We're going to try and check our answers. So I'll grab a calculator. A was 25, B was 33, and C was 47. I add those up, I get 105, which is exactly what I predicted. And averaging them by dividing by 3, I get 35. So we did a little check. That's something you can do, and I encourage. If you're writing this contest for your first time and you realize, oh, I just can't do any of the questions in part C, but I've got a ton of time left over, do little things like this. Work out what A, B, and C actually are, and make sure that your understanding of the problem worked out all right. Okay, so that's question number 17. We're going to take a look at question number 18, but that will be in the next video. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you're enjoying the 2001 Fermat so far, and I'll see you guys in the next video.